All right, here's an exponential equation where we do not have the same base again. So let's pull up a table. Let's look at where we see 216 and 36 together. So look around. Where do you see it? I see 216 here and I see 36 here, which is nice. That means those are both multiples of 6 because they're in that row with the 6. So 36 I can write as 6 squared. All right, and 216 is 6 to the third power, or 6 cubed. And it's already raised to the x power, so we have to keep that with it, right? So now our bases are the same. So we're just setting the exponents equal. So 3x equals 2. Divide by 3 on both sides. X is 2/3. And that's your answer. All right. I hope that was helpful. See you next time.